Hello, this is Sunny from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. We are starting our new series in memorizing the I am statements. And over the next 4 weeks, we are going to memorize these statements. We're starting with I am the bread of life. So this is the first one we are going to memorize. So this is the verse, if you're joining us this month or this time, this is the verse you're going to zone in and you're going to concentrate on for the next week. You're going to write it out, you're going to repeat it, you're going to do whatever it takes for you to memorize this verse. So you're going to put that behind the daily section. If you've been with us for a while, you take your old daily verse and you put it behind the even section. So in other words, you're going to concentrate on the even days of the week. You're going to revise that on the second, the fourth, and so forth. Your old even verse, you're going to put into the odd sections. With other words, you are going to revise that on the odd days, so the third, fifth, and so forth. Your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. You can start with Monday, work your way through to Friday. I think we've done Tuesday last time, so I'm going to put it behind Wednesday. So I'm going to put this verse behind Wednesday. Yet again, you can choose anyone. And then you take your old Wednesday verse and you move it into the monthly section. You can also start from day 1 till 31. I've memorized scripture for many years, so I've got behind everyone, I've got loads, so it doesn't really matter where I put it. So let's just put it here behind the 22nd. So on the 22nd, I will revise that verse again. So I hope you understand the system, that consistently you will be able to revise your verses. Then I've got in my free printable, I have practice sheets. So I've decorated my pages. If you want to decorate your pages, I have a decoration bundle that came with this verses 3 years ago, which you can pick up on my Kofi account. I will link it down below. You can decorate your pages. Otherwise, you can just get the bundle where you can just download all the verses which comes in this form. So as you can see, I decorated it. I practiced it last time. So yeah, I've started revising it or reviewing it, but I didn't continue. So this is my time now. I'm going to continue reviewing this verse. If it's the first time you are memorizing it, obviously you write it down here. So this is all part of your free printable, which you get with your little box you can make. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to start reviewing this verse. So as you can see, I'm starting a new book because our old book is done. So for the last 6 months, we have memorized all these verses in this book. So yeah, I'm very happy that I could revise all these verses. And actually this side of the pages is now full, and I've gone over the verses just to cement it in my mind. So you must have a very, very blessed week. And yeah, may this be a blessing to you, and meditate on what it means for Jesus to be the bread of life.